Today, we are going to be making a fast-acting and natural cold and sore throat soothing cup of tea. We are going to start out by brewing a nice strong cup of licorice tea. The blend I have here is by Stash and also contains cinnamon, orange peel, and a few other ingredients for flavor. I let the tea brew for about 5 minutes. Licorice root has been used for hundreds of years due to its effectiveness at clearing congestion and reducing inflammation. Its soothing effects on the throat are so fast-acting you can feel it work while drinking it. Next, we are going to add a dash of ginger. Ginger has tremendous anti-inflammatory properties that soothe the throat and settle the stomach. We'll add some honey to the mug and stir it in. Honey works as a natural cough suppressant and will give the tea a nice sweetness. Finally, we are going to add the juice from half a small lemon. It is a good idea to roll it a bit to loosen up the juices. Lemon attacks colds and coughs by changing the pH of the environment, making it harder for harmful bacteria to survive in the throat. And just like that, we have created a natural and effective cold and throat remedy that will get you back up and running in no time. Cheers! Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also find additional content on our social media and blog.